Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your Dell Chromebook 3400. So there are three ways in which we can turn off this Chromebook. The first one is navigating to the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, and after you click on it, select power options and then select shutdown. Otherwise, you can also hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and you will see a shutdown option on the toolbar. And if your device is frozen, you can turn it off by holding down the power button for about 5 seconds. Once your screen goes off, your device will be turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.